Hi my friends, and welcome back to the channel. I'm Legacy Stacker, and today we're going to cover my dividend stock investing strategy. At the same time, we'll be reviewing the American Silver Eagle Proof series from 2006. But first, to the computer. Now, here at the SD Bullion website, today is Monday, May 22nd, 2023. The silver spot price is $24.11. The gold spot price is $1,987, which gives us a gold to silver ratio of 82 to 1. Hi, my precious metals fans. I'm very excited to announce that SD Bullion has approved my channel into its Bullion affiliate program. So if you would like to purchase your precious metals from SD Bullion, please use my affiliate links below in the description. It won't cost you any more, and it will really help my channel out. SD Bullion is not sponsoring this video, but they are one of the most trusted bullion sites when purchasing precious metals. Here's the disclaimer. The coins we'll be reviewing today are the 2006 series of American Silver Eagle Proofs. There are two coins in this series. The first coin in this series is this 2006 W American Silver Eagle Proof coin from the West Point Mint. I bought this coin as a graded coin on the Great Collections website online with the winning bid. And as we look at the reverse, we can see the W mint mark there at the bottom of the coin, indicating the West Point Mint. This coin is graded Proof 70 by the NGC Coin Grading Company, has a mintage of 1,092,477 coins, and given that mintage and grade is currently worth approximately $165. And now it's time for viewer mail. Today I received a letter from It's All Good. And inside, he left me a note that reads, "Hey Legacy Stacker, here's a couple of stickers for the collection. All the best to you. It's all good." And he included two stickers. Love them. And that's a barber dime from 1899. Nice. That's the first silver barber dime I've ever received. Thanks, It's All Good. I will definitely keep these items in my Legacy Stacker Forever collection. If you would like to send me a letter, a sticker, or even silver or gold, my address is right here, and of course, in the description down below. Anything I receive, I will review on the channel, as these items will be my most precious possessions. And I can promise you, anything I receive, I will never sell. They will remain in my Legacy Stacker Forever collection. So now, let's talk about something I'm pretty excited about, my dividend stock investing strategy. Oh, okay, I guess I should explain. If you watch my channel, you know I invested in dividend stocks about 3 years ago for a 2-year period. Then I quit dividend stocks and even made a video on it. I'll put a link right up here so you can check that one out. I quit dividend stock investing at that time not because I didn't like dividend stocks, but because I wanted at that time to consolidate the things that I was investing in. Mostly I wanted to invest in precious metals and real estate. But now I'm back to investing in dividend stocks, and it's for a purpose this time. I know my channel is all about precious metals, silver and gold, but I want you to know I also invest and make money in real estate, in my retirement accounts, and now I'm back to investing in dividend stocks. My strategy in investing in dividend stocks hasn't changed too much from the last time. First, I'm looking for stable stocks. I'm not looking for the latest growth stocks by design. Stocks like Google or Apple are considered growth stocks, where you make the most of your money as the stock goes up, not necessarily from the dividends they produce. The dividend stocks also have to be under $100 per share, and of course the stocks have to have a quarterly dividend to add to my portfolio of dividend stocks. So I'm sure you're wondering why I'm getting back into dividend stocks. Well, I had a relatively large emergency come up. To make a long story short, my electric vehicle completely died, meaning the large battery in the electric vehicle died and was no longer able to hold a charge, disabling the vehicle completely. I won't go into why I originally bought an electric vehicle, but I can say it wasn't necessarily because I wanted to save the environment. But I'll save that story for a future video. So I had no choice. I had to buy a new vehicle. So I bought a new vehicle and I financed it with monthly payments of approximately $700 a month. Ouch. New cars are really expensive right now. And if you've been watching my videos, you know the average cost of a new vehicle today in 2023 is about $48,000. Hi, my friends. As you can tell, I've made a decision to keep my identity anonymous on this channel for security reasons. Please feel free to participate in my Million Subscribers Challenge by clicking on the subscribe button below. Do you really want to know who I am? If so, please click on the subscribe button below, and when I reach 1 million subscribers, I will move from behind the camera to in front of the camera. That's my challenge to you. Subscribing to my channel won't cost a thing, and most of all, thank you. At this point, while we are reviewing the 2006 American Silver Eagle Proof series of coins, we ask ourselves, what was happening in the year 2006 when these coins were minted at the West Point and Philadelphia mints? The American Silver Eagle celebrated its 20th anniversary in 2006, with the U.S. Mint issuing a reverse proof strike for the first time. More on that coin coming up in a minute. The Jefferson nickel was marked by the return of the Monticello reverse. John Mercanti was promoted to the chief engraver of the U.S. Mint, who of course is the designer of the American Silver Eagle original reverse, beginning in 1986 and running up until 2021. Also known as the Type 1 American Silver Eagle. And Whitman Publishing celebrated the 60th anniversary of the Red Book in 2006. In other news, the United Nations inspectors were brushed off by Iran, leading many to speculate whether they were building nuclear weapons. Whereas North Korea made no effort to hide its nuclear weapons program, detonating its first nuclear weapon in October of 2006. Former Iraq President Saddam Hussein was found guilty of crimes against humanity in an Iraqi tribunal. A huge tsunami hit the Indonesian island of Java, and Tropical Cyclone Larry made landfill in far north Queensland, Australia, causing $1.1 billion in damage. The 2006 Winter Olympics were held in Turin, Italy, where the United States won 25 medals, 9 of them gold medals. The Dow Jones Industrial Average rose to 11,409 points in the year 2006 as compared to the over 33,000 points today in 2023. Inflation in the year 2006 climbed to 3.23%, but still very low compared to our current 6.0% inflation rate we're seeing this year in 2023. The average price of a new car was $23,629 compared to $48,000 today, and the price of a gallon of gasoline was just $2.59 compared to the $3.50 per gallon we're seeing this year in 2023. The average cost of a home was approximately $238,100 compared to the $348,000 today. And the average rent was $1,337 per month in the year 2006 as compared to $2,495 today in 2023. There were a number of movies that came out in the year 2006, such as 300, starring Gerard Butler, The Da Vinci Code, starring Tom Hanks and Audrey Tautou, and The Guardian, starring Kevin Costner and Ashton Kutcher. You may have seen some of them. Hit songs such as Unwritten by Natasha Bedingfield, Too Little Too Late by JoJo, and Without You by Mary J. Blige were popular that year. Let me know down in the comments, do you remember some of these things back in 2006? The second coin in this series is this 2006 P American Silver Eagle Reverse Proof coin from the Philadelphia Mint. I purchased this coin online as a graded coin. And if we look at the reverse, we can see the P Mint mark there near the bottom of the coin, indicating the Philadelphia Mint. This reverse proof coin is graded Proof 70 by the NGC Coin Grading Company, has a mintage of 435,368 coins, and based on that mintage and grade, is currently worth approximately $410. If I hold this coin up to the previous one, you can see the difference between the proof coin on the left and the reverse proof coin on the right. The proof coin has a mirrored finish, whereas with the reverse proof, the devices are mirrored. Now let's get back to my dividend stock investing strategy. For simplicity, I'm going to use some round numbers. Now this is probably a good time to reinforce that I am not a financial advisor and I don't expect you to do what I do. Please do your own due diligence and make your own financial decisions. Over the past year, I have invested over $80,000 in dividend stocks on a monthly cost averaging basis, as well as including any windfalls like a bonus or income tax refund. Now I wanted to choose a set number of stocks, so I chose 10, since I thought that number would be manageable. I also wanted the 10 stocks to be in as many different investment sectors in the stock market as possible. So I chose 10 stocks in the following sectors: industrials, materials, real estate, energy, and financials. I had a difficult time finding stocks in the technology, consumer discretionary, healthcare, communication, or consumer staples sectors that met my criteria. A couple of months ago, I created a video about how I became a millionaire. I believe dividend stocks can be one of the strong assets in my portfolio over time. I'll put a link to my How I Became a Millionaire video right up here so you can check it out. Hi, my friends. If you've enjoyed the content of my channel and you're interested in collecting and stacking silver coins, you may want to check out my playlists on my Legacy Stacker channel. You can go to my Legacy Stacker homepage by clicking on the Legacy Stacker gold coin right here. Then at the homepage, you can click on the Playlists tab right here. If you are interested in viewing my Morgan Silver Dollar collection from the beginning in 1878, you can choose my Morgan Silver Dollar collection right here, listed as my #1 playlist. Or if you would like to check out my American Silver Eagle Proof collection beginning in 1986, you can do that here. It's playlist number 2. Or of course, my Constitutional playlist is number 3. There are also playlists for the Coin of the Month, and number 5 is my Precious Metals Safety. Also, did you know you can subscribe to my channel just by clicking on this Legacy Stacker gold coin right here at the bottom right hand of the screen? How easy is that? Now getting back to my dividend stock investing strategy. The key to my strategy has been to look for stocks that have a dividend yield percentage of 10% or greater. I also look for stocks that are in the $100 or less range. Now, I did have to accept a greater level of risk than, say, a 3% dividend producing stock, but I am also watching the stock's beta rating very closely to manage my risk tolerance. Now that I've identified my 10 high dividend yielding stocks, I continuously invest in those same 10 stocks on a dollar cost averaging basis each month. Let me know down in the comments, do you know of any high yield dividend stocks? Which dividend stocks are your favorites? Let me know down in the comments. Okay, so now let me pull these two concepts together. I bought a vehicle with payments of $700 per month. Over the past year, I've invested over $80,000 into dividend producing stocks at 10%. That's over $8,000 per year, or dividend stocks which will generate my $700 vehicle payment each month, leaving me virtually vehicle payment free. This financial experiment is designed to prove that I don't have to be a minimalist to enjoy the nicer things in life. I just have to find a way, using passive income, to pay for them. Also, as a plus, once I pay off my vehicle in either the 6 years of payments or earlier, I will then still have the over $80,000 principal investment invested in the dividend-bearing stocks, and I can reinvest those dividends back into my stock portfolio at that point, adding even more to the over $80,000 and growing an even larger nest egg over time. This week's YouTube channel shout out of the week goes to Anxious Stacker. I'll leave a link to his channel down in the description below. Anxious Stacker talks about both silver and gold stacking on his channel. He stacks silver coins and bars of all types. Again, I'll include a link to Anxious Stacker's YouTube channel down in the description below. A special thank you to my loyal patrons, without whom this channel would not be possible. Thank you, my friends. I truly appreciate your support. And always remember, my friends, silver and gold, it's wealth you can hold in your hands.